Well, again, my name's Gabe Zolna. I posted a couple of videos and I talked about Eric Fanning being appointed by the Republican-controlled Senate as head of the Army. And you have to sort of wonder, why would they do that with a new president 6 or 7 months out? Have you ever seen Obama not get what he wants? I mean, has there ever been a time that he hasn't gotten everything that he wants? I don't know if it's because of what NSA was able to gather on all these senators and these congressmen, but whatever it is, it works. Now, this brings me to the Supreme Court. There's a vacancy. And that vacancy, I think, will be filled before a new election, if there ever is even a new election. And Judge Merrick Garland will be appointed to the Supreme Court to round out the totally dysfunctional Supreme Court that vote on ideology, not on the word of law. I'm convinced that Judge Merrick Garland will be confirmed by the Senate. It's just a matter of how many screws Obama has to turn in order to bring that about. I mean, he's got insiders, Republican senators like Jeffrey the Flake Flake that travel a lot with Obama on Air Force One. He's got Senator Johnny McCain, who should have been to a federal prison. Instead, he got pardoned, received a presidential pardon by President Nixon. I have no doubt that it's just a matter of time before Merrick Garland will be sitting on the Supreme Court. And when that happens, well, I don't even know if that matters. America's been transformed. Obama said that's what he would do. We're 5 days away from fundamentally transforming America. And he's done it. He's destroyed our military. He's destroyed our health care. He's destroyed our economy. He's destroyed the future of generations of children. And before he is supposed to step down, will exceed that point of no return, which we were told is $21 trillion in debt. What do you want, 1.8 billion for Zika? Why don't you start off with a few million? What are you going to do with 1.8 billion? The same thing that he did with the millions or the billions that he got for Ebola. Shove it over to the less fortunate in Kenya, in Africa, his homeland. Can't blame a guy for being nice to the country that he was born in, Kenya. Kenya, huh? Folks, if you don't think we're screwed, you're not thinking.